At the Unitedworld Institute of Behavioral Sciences, learning is designed to go beyond theory into real human understanding. Built on a practice-integrated model, UIBS blends classroom learning with hands-on experiences through labs, internships, and field exposure. Students engage in counseling simulations, behavioral analysis, and research projects, developing both scientific insight and emotional intelligence. With an interdisciplinary approach, the curriculum connects psychology with Indian perspectives, global frameworks, and emerging fields like AI in psychology, creating a truly future-ready learning experience. Through continuous reflection, case-based learning, and real-world exposure, students don't just study behavior, they learn to interpret, analyze, and respond to it. Because at UIBS, learning evolves from knowledge to empathy to impact. UIBS, Connection Beyond AI.